If you ever sat in front of a price adder and looked at it I don't know what's going on here, you're not alone. This is exactly how it started when I first started trading. So I know exactly the feeling. I know that feeling of doing your prep, turning your ladders on and thinking to yourself, oh, I don't know what to do. Everything starts flashing around. Everything seems like you need to do something. It's like the flashing lights at a casino. And so you suddenly just jump into a trade. I know that experience. You jump into a trade and straight away you think, I'm not sure why I'm in this. I'm not sure where my stop is. I don't know where my target is. I'm not sure whether that was spoofing, which is the reason I got in, or whether it was absorption. And you start questioning yourself so quickly. You get out of the trade. You get back in another trade. And immediately the questioning comes back. And what all of this comes down to, or what all this ends up leading to, is a situation where you miss the opportunity you were really looking for, because you've got so sucked in by the flashing lights, the casino effect, that you have completely lost sync. And this now makes you doubt every trade that you ever do. You start to question whether your ideas are right. You start to question whether you can read a price ladder. And the problem that you have is you're told, but a price ladder is an edge. We do loads of videos on how to look at a price ladder. So you know there's something in this. And the key to understanding a price ladder is to get through the just looking for stuff and understand what you should be looking for and when that should happen. They're the two key things. So a price ladder itself is not an edge. A price ladder is a tool, but seeing it from the perspective of what to look for and when precisely to look for it is what makes it a useful tool. If you want to know more about this, I'm going to be running a webinar on the 23rd of April, 6 p.m. UK time. In that, I'll be looking at why it's easy to get sucked in by a price ladder, how not to get sucked in, and what exactly you should be looking for and when should you be looking for it. I'm going to give examples using the S&P as well. So we're going to look at this, how to execute trades and what exactly you're looking for to take on certain trades in the S&P. I'll see you there.